Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and
Maddie.
And today we're going to make garlic butter home, and we'll explain why we're doing it that way right now. I'm using a new recipe, not my old one. Anyway, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. That's right, the big W made me that. His link's down below. All right, let's get into this. I'll show you up here a little closer in just a second, but using fresh ingredients to make your garlic butter, it just tastes better. And I know I have never made this exact recipe, but we're going to, and a couple different people are going to get it. You're taking some home, and those chips we made. Anyway, so if you buy garlic paste, read all the other stuff they have in it. There's stuff you don't want. That's why the freshness is the best. So we got some we got some containers to mix this up because it's going to different people for them to enjoy. Alright, hope I'm not taking too long. I'll get a video of the different ingredients. I'll leave a recipe down below for you. If you want to hang out and see us make this, you're welcome to it. Leave a like if you like garlic butter. I like garlic butter. I like garlic. Boy, you make anything with garlic and we pretty much eat it up, don't we? Yeah, we'll be right back. Real quick, I'm going to show you the ingredients, but it'll be down below. 12 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 pound of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes, 2 teaspoons dried chives. With Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. It doesn't get any easier than this. All you do is you take those ingredients in your bowl and you mix them together. The butter's been sitting out for a while. Maddie's gonna put the dry ingredients in and I'm gonna smoosh. You know what? The video camera is gonna be on the smoosh of the garlic because I'm gonna show you how to turn it from a clove into paste. All right, here we go. Maddie's gonna put all these ingredients in. We're gonna put the butter in and fold it in at the end. She's gonna put it all in this bowl. And I'm going to smush to make it kind of liquidy, if you wanna say, but it's not gonna be, you'll see what I do. All right, begin. One thing about it, when you're cutting up your garlic, go ahead and just chop it up a little bit. Just smush it down, it'll turn into paste, kind of, sort of. Maddie's putting all the other ingredients in there. See right there, when you smush down the cloves of garlic enough, it gets down grinded like that. That's what you're looking for. When you're working with your garlic, you sit there and keep smushing it like that, and it's like grinding your clove down. It like turns into a paste. So you're done?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do from this point forward, we're gonna do them one at a time. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fold. Here's what we got. She put all the dry ingredients in there and the olive oil, and now we got 1 stick of real butter. I'm still working on the garlic, but she's gonna go ahead and fold this in to get it into the first stick. We're gonna do 1 stick at a time. That's the way we work. Let's see if this, I might need a spoon to do that, but let's just see if you can do it with that. Like this, baby. See, I'll just keep smushing it in there.
Yeah. It smells good.
That's how you do it. She's learning, folks. This your first time to make home? Okay. Oh well, if it wasn't with me, who would it have been with? All right, mix that in. By this sitting out makes it so much more helpful. Here's what Maddie has so far. She's gonna add the other 3 off camera, and I'm gonna smush these up. We're gonna get the garlic embedded in it, and we'll be right back for a taste test. This is why I'm not allowed to cook inside. I was over here smushing up the garlic, and this sucker, I popped I wasn't doing it correctly. I apologize. We're gonna put this into another bowl. We ain't gonna do nothing about the part on the ground except wash it off here after this. That's what my garlic's looking like right now. What we should do is harden it up in the refrigerator a little bit, but we don't have time. So let me get 2 slices of some kind of bread and Maddie. We'll see what this baby tastes like. Alright, so yeah, Maddie came out and said, you got a chigger bite on you, baby. Alright, so it smells really good. Smell that. Alright, here we go. Taste test. I told you before, once you put this in the refrigerator, you're going to harden it back up. We did this so that we could get it mixed up. We got containers we're fixing to put it in. The part that we didn't drop on the floor, or Papa didn't drop on the floor, and this is really good. And you know what the ingredients is. No additives.
Can I put some salt in it?
Not in it. I'm going to put it on yours if you want salt on it.
Yeah.
I recommend this. I do a pound at a time because it's not really that much. Especially if you drop about 1/3 of it. You want to be sure to have enough. It's awesome. It's Papa. Come on. Papatexas, Papa's Kitchen. Come back and see us on another day. We'll have something for you. Don't know what, but we'll have something. See you. Let's see if you like it better with the salt on it. Get up here in the camera. Better that way? Bye. Either way, that's actually not bad. She comes up with these ideas. She's going to be a dentist. Yeah. See you.